Right, here's my second video of old steam engines of mine. This is a new model I've bought. It's a 1912 hand-built model. Just a very simple oscillator. It's going to be working my old line shaft today with the Wilesco shear sharpener along with his sparks, which you'll see, and then a very much sought after sausage maker by Wilesco, and then one of my favourite toys, this well operator or worker. This is a dull, so probably what, 1920s I would say, something like that. Oh, it's an ongoing job at the minute. I'm just going to do it up a little bit, not a lot. It had a new base, it just needs touching up. You can't see it because it's behind his leg, the new bit. Anyway, enough waffle. Let's start this thing up. There we go. Very nicely. You can see, simple oscillator. The pulley I had to drill out and fit this morning because it didn't have one. That's a Meccano pulley. And let's have a closer look at the world, new worker. Water's going in there a bit quick, but he's operating at about the right speed. You can see the water being collected and dropped. Simple tool, but very nice toy, I mean. Go now to the shear sharpener. I think he's still in focus, so you can just see the sparks there. Very clever toy. Look at it. And then a very much sought after toy. It took me a while to get one of these. The Wilesco sausage maker. Very, very nice. Powerful engine. This could probably run more. So I'm running it on air today because it's quite difficult for me to make a steam connection. I've got a boiler up there, I've got engine connected to, but there's already three on it. I really couldn't be bothered to do all the pipe work. Get the same effect really. It will steam. There's no problem with it steaming. Very well made engine. It's a very old line shaft. Done nothing to it. Two workers. Let's just see if I can reach the lights a minute. Turn the light off. See if the sparks a bit better. The faster it goes, the more sparks you get. And then obviously because I've got other toys on here, they'll go around like a lunatic. So you can see there, that's sausage maker. We'll have a close up of that. I'll get round there just a minute. Very clever toy. not many about. I know, I suppose we've all got one. It took me a long time to get one of these though. And it's in this box. Oh, sorry, excuse me. Put the light back on. Sort of an overhead shot. My new spot today, I did have a red spot, but it nearly took my head off about 5 times. As the bulb blew, it tended to explode. I got fed up with that. So I've just got myself an ordinary angle poised lamp with a daylight bulb in it. And you get a fairly good colour representation. Close up in there, I'll go out of focus. The bucket's going in, collecting the water. Stole well, as I said, probably about 1920. There's a very good, there's a lot of German toys, very clever. Obviously quite old now, so becoming few and far between and always quite expensive. Close up the old sausage maker and it'll be philandering. Sure it's a bit jerky, but I'm holding on straight out of here to film this. Shot, I think. That's a shot of the engine now, nice little wooden base. I will make a steam fitting for this and set it up, but it's such a simple engine, it seems pointless really to go through all that work and aggravation. I don't really need today. Line shaft's a bit battered, but that's got some age to it. That's a Bing, I believe. Just see the Bing bags there in the middle. Right, that's 10 minutes, that's probably long enough. I don't want to turn it off. So there it is, this is my handmade from 1912 simple oscillating engine. Very, very nice. Simple stuff, very nice. Not as simple to add because I couldn't to make because I couldn't do it. That's powering my D9 shaft and the Wilesco shear sharpener, complete with these sparks. The Wilesco, shallow there. Wilesco sausage maker. And last but not least, the Dole water well and its worker. Getting in the shot a bit. That's it. Thank you.